All right, let's talk to the people.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
I want to show you something.
Okay, come here.
This is a rainbow I drew.
This is very cool. I love your rainbow.
It's made of blue, orange, brown, red, and yellow. And on the other side, there's more blue here. And I didn't fill in the sides because I'm going to put water on the ends of them and then it's going to grow.
Oh, that's going to be so cool. I'm so excited. We'll do it right after I talk to the people, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye. If deals aren't getting removed, you don't have a pipeline. You have accumulation. If reps can't prove why a deal will close, it's not a deal. Stop lying to yourself. What is it really? It's a guess. And if your forecast is built on guesses, well, you're not forecasting, are you? You're hoping. Revenue doesn't fail yelling at you. It fails without a sound inside a system like yours. Fix your system.